What I like about the program is that I like working on cars, visualizing how it would look in the end, making sure it gets to that point.
What I like about it is the class sizes. The instructors are one-on-one, and they're always there to help you, and it's a really good environment to learn.
I like that we get a mixture of everything, honestly. A lot of places out there will just teach you painting, just teach you, a little bit of body work here and there, but this place, really goes in depth. I wasn't expecting to get, customer vehicles and to get as much in depth as I was thinking. I came in here saying I'm going to be a body tech, right now my painting has gotten so incredible that I'm just like, that's where I want to be. I want to be a painter. I love, buying guns and working with them, and being in the booth is where my center is now.
Today I'm working on the paint simulator, which helps us work on our efficiency, transfer and all that before we actually get into the paint booth so we can be better.
So we turned it into a game, who could get the high score and everything. I think it definitely kind of helped us out, figure out where we needed to aim, how far away we needed to be and everything. That is definitely a good help.
The second half of the first semester, we are already introducing students to customer-related work, and the reason we feel that's important is because as they start going into the industry, they need to understand the responsibilities of working on a customer's vehicle, and it teaches them the proper repairs, teaches them the ethics of the industry, keeping stuff organized, being responsible for the repairs, and just teaches them to do the job right.
Working on a customer car, you want to have all the bolts right back into place. You want to have the paint looking perfect. Everything needs to look perfect because this is going out the door to a customer. This is basically our resume showing, this is what we can do, and we can go out there into the real world and show them what we got.